Are you sitting down? Because we're about to blow the lid off a shocking trend in the world of AI adoption. A recent study reveals that 75% of organizations are already using AI agents to automate tasks, and the numbers are only going up. But here's the thing. These AI agents are not just doing mundane tasks like data entry and bookkeeping. They're also taking on complex jobs that were previously thought to be safe from automation. So, what does this mean for your job and the future of work? Let's dive in and find out.
So, what exactly are AI agents and how are they being used in the workplace? Well, AI agents are essentially software programs that use machine learning algorithms to perform tasks that would normally require human intervention. They're being used in a wide range of industries from customer service to healthcare, and they're getting smarter by the day. But while AI agents may seem like a panacea for many of the workplace's problems, the truth is that they're also having a devastating impact on many workers.
One of the most alarming trends in the use of AI agents is the way they're being used to replace human workers. According to a recent report, 43% of employees fear being replaced by AI in the next 5 years, and it's not hard to see why. With AI agents getting better and better at doing tasks that were previously thought to be impossible for machines to do, it's only a matter of time before they start taking over jobs that were previously thought to be safe from automation.
But what about the benefits of AI agents? Don't they help to increase productivity and efficiency in the workplace? Well, yes and no. While AI agents may be able to perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans, they also have a number of limitations. For one thing, they require a lot of training data to get started, and they can be prone to bias and errors. And let's not forget the fact that AI agents are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI agent will be too.
So, what's the future of work going to look like with AI agents on the rise? Will we see a utopian future where humans and AI agents work together in perfect harmony? Or will we see a dystopian future where humans are replaced by machines? The truth is, it's a little bit of both. While AI agents will certainly change the way we work, they'll also create new opportunities for humans to work alongside machines. But one thing is for sure, the future of work is going to be very different from what we see today.
So, what can you do to protect your job from the rise of AI agents? Well, for one thing, you should start learning new skills that are complementary to AI agents, rather than trying to compete with them. This could include skills like creativity, empathy, and problem solving, which are highly valued in the modern workplace. And secondly, you should start thinking about how you can work with AI agents rather than against them. This could involve using AI agents to automate repetitive tasks, or using them to help you make better decisions.
So, there you have it, the dark side of AI adoption. While AI agents may seem like a panacea for many of the workplace's problems, the truth is that they're also having a devastating impact on many workers. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to protect your job from the rise of AI agents, and there are also ways to work with them to create a better future for all. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start learning new skills, and start thinking about how you can work with AI agents to create a better future.
And remember, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about the future of work, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and commentary on the latest trends in AI and technology. Thanks for watching.